This brief tutorial will go over how to customize the navigation bar in Canvas. Setting up your nav bar in Canvas is really easy. So as you can see with my screen, the left-hand side is the instructor nav bar. If I click on student view, nav bar is in the same area. So what we'll be doing is going down to the settings option at the bottom. In here you have a couple of tabs, but it's set already for the navigation. So it's giving you a list of everything that's available for your student, and what you can do is you can rearrange them by clicking and dragging, and you can put them in different areas. Also, if you want to click on the three dot icon, you can either disable, or this is another way you can move each section. After you are done with this task, you can just scroll down to the bottom and save. And if needed, you can always go back to the student view to make sure that everything's set up the way that you want.